Hey everyone, Force Restart here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a PS5 controller in pairing mode so you can connect it to your PS5, your phone, or another device. So let's get started. So in order to do this, you're going to locate the PlayStation logo right here and then this button right here. So we need to press and hold both of them at the same time until you see lights flashing along here, which will mean it's in pairing mode. So you have to time it at the same time. So usually you can take two of your thumbs, press and hold until you see it start to flash like blue color. So you can see here it's starting to flash blue here on it, and that means it's in pairing mode, and we just put it in pairing mode. And then you're going to take whatever device you have that you're looking to pair with, whether your phone, whether your device or PS5, right? It's going to show up as a way to connect it. So let's go ahead and check here. So we're going to check, for example, in Bluetooth here. I can see here the controller showing up on my phone here. I can connect it, or I can go ahead and connect it to my PS5 as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your devices. We'll see you guys next time.